Hey gang. So it's hotter than Hades out here today. It's probably it's 5:15. I was thinking it was after 6, but it's only 5:15. So update with the bus repairs. We're getting a new fuel pump, and hopefully the fuel pump we put in last month is faulty, and this new one will be awesome. I know a lot of you have said vapor lock, but the guy working on the bus says it's not vapor lock. But that seems to be what everybody says. So if you can get past vapor lock and you have any other ideas, do let me know. Yeah. So I'm still stuck here until something's fixed. He's supposed to be coming back tonight. He's supposed to be in Alpine right now getting the part. So wish me luck. Ciao, babies. Hey, gang. Just washed my hair, and it is so, soap and water. That whole soap and water thing. So, awesome. So, anyway, bus update. The guy's gone to Alpine today to get the part. Hopefully, they have the part. This several days putting us off, not getting it at it's O'Reilly's. And it's just for the birds. Anyway, so there's really no update. When he gets the part, I don't know if he's going to plan on putting it on tonight or in the morning. It's really hot midday, so either the evening or early morning is best to be working outside, I think. I think anyway, but everybody's different. So that's it. I washed my hair. I took a 45-minute nap after work today. Then got up and washed my hair, and then decided to give you an update. Yeah. It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. I'm growing inside, and when you wake up, ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling, a feeling that I'll be back when the day is through, and I'll have more good news for you, and you'll have things you'll want to talk about. I will too. See you later, neighbor. Even with all the repairs and frustrations with the bus, life is good, and I love that I finally got my short bus. Window lickers unite. Listen to that. The engine is running. So the second new fuel pump is in. And it's still, when I started it just now, it didn't want to start, but then it did. So I just got off work, changed clothes, started it. I'm gonna go for a ride. This is my mask for when I go in to get a soda for the ride. I got a full tank of gas. I don't need to get gas. So anyway, it's too hot for this crap. Anyway, wish me luck. So far so good. Ciao, babies. Boom to China. I love me some Dean Martin. Yes. Variety is the spice of life, right? So if you can hear this, my engine is just a purring along, just a purring. Yes, this is my mask today. Styling, huh? Smells funny though. I need to throw it in the wash. So I like about these are $1 headbands from Dollar General. $1. All kinds of different patterns. Did you see that slobber? I know, more information than you needed. Anyway, engine's purring along. So far so good. Started right up today, which is so awesome. So awesome, so awesome, so awesome, so awesome. So, yeah. To China. Yeah, anyway. Like me some Dean Martin. It's so cool. I'm just excited. I just got off work. I'm off tomorrow, so I am sitting here letting the truck warm up a little, and then I am heading up the mountain. So get ready for lots of donkey pics. Actually meeting a couple of gal friends in Fort Davis for lunch, and then heading up the mountain. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. So if you get nearby and want to do lunch, holler at me. I love doing lunch. Love it, love it, love it. Anyway, see you later, babies. Bye-bye. Ciao. Okay, game, I'm up the mountain.
At the end.
We're going to see how this starts. Oh, that was loud. Okay, lights off. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, so it's having trouble starting and making me nervous. So what else could it be? Could it be the starter? So I just came to my, my tent storage. I don't know if you can barely see the tents. See, that's my tent storage. Got some stuff out of there to put in the bus. But anyway, if you got any more ideas on the problem with the starting, could it be the starter? Let me know.